Ahmedabad. So this is Rakhi Agarwal.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम राखी अग्रवाल फ्रॉम एकत्र। इस बार जो मैं एग्जीबिशन लेके आए हम, उसका नाम है ट्रेंड।
So Trend Affairs is here only for 2 days, today and tomorrow, that is 21st and 22nd of January. They have 8 beautiful brands over here. Brands ની પાસે collection માં lab grown diamonds છે, silver jewelry છે. They have some nice statement and ethnic pieces as well. They have 2 and 3 piece suits. They have patolas and bandhanis, sarees માં options છે. They have some amazing Indo-Western sets as well. મેં જેવું પહેર્યું છે એમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ એમની પાસે અવેલેબલ છે. સો પ્લીઝ ટુ કમ હિયર. ધીસ ઇઝ એટ ગેલેરી 105, એમના SBR રોડના બ્રાન્ચ પર છે. કલેક્શન જોવું હોય તો સ્વાઇપ લેફ્ટ. સો ધીઝ આર ધ બ્રાન્ડ્સ ધેટ વી હેવ ઓવર હિયર. ધ ફર્સ્ટ બ્રાન્ડ ઇઝ
कमको, पटोला एंड बांधनी।
ઓકે
शिवा सितारा,
ઓકે
मुक्तारा बाय महेश्वरी, फ्यूजन धागा बाय ममता,
ઓકે
Zyra Lux lab grown diamond jewelry,
ઓકે
Asia designs, Krishna innovation
Krishna Innovation,
by Rashmi.
Rue by Roshni. So these are all the brands that have come over here. You can come and check them out personally at Gallery 105 SBR Road for 2 days, 21st and 22nd of January. So this brand is called Kanisha Designs.
And this time वो अंगरखा styles kurta पे suit slide through.
Okay.
Something in like this.
Something in anarkalis.
Yes.
Okay.
Something like this in gota patti. Some suits like this in short kurta.
Okay. They have more options over here as well. Okay. Something with a skirt.
We have lehenga.
Lehengas.
In long kurti.
Okay.
Something like this. Something in Rajputana in pure mal chanderi.
Okay. Rajputana pure mal chanderi ma.
Some cord sets.
Cord sets. Okay.
I have options also. Designs, color.
Okay.
Something like this. I have customized this also.
Okay. So this brand is called Kanisha Design. So this is Rue by Roshni. They have beautiful brass jewelry, 18 karat gold plating वाली jewelry છે એમની પાસે. જેટલા પણ stones તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો, they are all raw stones that they have. So they have some beautiful ring options, earrings છે like these. Okay. All statement pieces that can go well with your Indian wear fits, your Western wear fits, as well as your Indo-Western fits. They have nice cuff bracelets and bangles. Rings માં ઘણા બધા options છે. They have some stud earrings like these. Okay. So all of these are statement pieces that they've come with over here. Long pieces છે. They have something in choker style as well. Alright. So lots of different options to choose from over here. And this brand is called Rue. હેલો
નમસ્તે બહેનો, હું કમખો આપણે શિવરંજની, અને અહીંયા ડિસ્પ્લેમાં અમે તમને આજે ડબલ ઇકતનું ઓરિજિનલ પટોળું આવશે. એમાં તમે અલગ વેરાયટી જોઈ શકો છો. પછી આ છે ટિશ્યુમાં ગાળો આવશે, રિયલ ટિશ્યુ સાથે ગાળો. પછી આપણી જોડે આ એકદમ એક્સ્ટ્રા ઓર્ડિનરી બનારસી ઉપર બંધેજ કરેલું છે, એકદમ જ ડિફરન્ટ યુનિક ટેસ્ટ છે. આ આપણે બાંધણી સાથે પટોળું આવશે.
ઓકે.
પછી આ રિયલ જરી લેરિયું.
રિયલ જરી લેરિયું. સો એમની પાસે સાડીઝ નું કલેક્શન છે.
પછી આ બધા દુપટ્ટા આવશે.
દુપટ્ટા
આ ડબલ ઇકતના દુપટ્ટા છે.
ઓકે. એન્ડ દે હેવ
ઓલસો આપણી જોડે બધી હેવી ટિશ્યુની સાડી મળશે, ઓરિજિનલ.
ઓકે.
જે રેખા સાડી કહેવાય છે, ઓરિજિનલ ટિશ્યુ સાડી આવશે બધી. અને આ બી રિયલ જરી ટિશ્યુ છે, તમે જોઈ શકો છો. અને પછી આપણી જોડે આ ટ્વિલ પટોળું આવશે.
ટ્વિલ પટોળાની પણ સાડીઝ એમની પાસે.
ટ્વિલનો પણ ફૂલ સ્ટોક મળશે.
So this brand is called Fusion Dhaga, and they have some nice Indo-Western sets. They have some nice Western pieces. Quad sets માં બી options છે એમની પાસે. These are some nice fashionable tops that they have. Okay. They have something like this in quad sets. What she's wearing is also part of her own collection. Okay. There are more options over here. Linen માં બી quad sets છે એમની પાસે. Something for daily wear. Okay. So this brand is Fusion Dhaga. Okay. They have some shirts. They have dresses as well over here. These are some nice long dresses that they have. થોડા short dresses જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. Okay. So again, lots of pieces to choose from over here. This brand is called Fusion Dhaga.
Hi, I'm Jayashree Parekh and Zaira Lux is my brand. We are into 14 carat gold jewelry with lab grown diamonds. So we have beautiful collection in these earring studs. These are all solitaire studs. And we have a lot of options in these tennis bracelets as well.
Okay.
These are solitaire rings. These are the statement pieces, cocktail rings. You wear one and you're done for the occasion. We have a lot of collection in pendants also. We have daily wear pendants for half carats and Mangalsutra pendants as well. And these are the daily wear bracelets which you can wear. And trust me, this is all a luxury thing for women to wear. Because I'm sure every woman loves diamonds. These are the solitaire rings, and I have rings with all different cuts and shapes. These are again the cocktail rings. This is a set with.
This brand is called Krishna Innovation.
I'm founder of Krishna Innovation, Rita Agrawal.
Okay.
Krishna Innovation डील करता है सभी फेस्टिव सीजन पे, जिसपे हम लोग ने कान्हा जी की पोशाकें रखी है, उनके सिंहासन है। वेडिंग सीजन के लिए हमने यहाँ बैग रेडी किया हुआ है, तिलक थाली है, गणपति जी की वुलन बैग्स है कान्हा जी के लिए, रंगोलीज है, पूजा थाली है, टी लाइट्स है। अभी होली आ रही है, होली के लिए हमारे पास कलर्स पोशाक है।
Okay.
बंदरवाल है, बंदरवाल आपको हर एक स्टाइल की मिलेगी। ये हमारा वेडिंग सीजन के लिए कलेक्शन आया है। ये सत्तिया कबले एनवलप छोटा छोटा सिल्वर कॉइन के लिए है।
Okay.
जैगरी पैकिंग, नारियल पैकिंग, एंड दिस इज वेलकम दुपट्टास। हम बाराती आते हैं जब द्वार पर तो हम बारातियों का स्वागत करते हैं वेलकम दुपट्टा।
Hi, I'm Sheetal Sen from Muktara by Maheshwari.
So this is Muktara.
Yes, this is Muktara by Maheshwari, and I'm exhibiting 2 products here. You can check out our pure tissue handwork 3-piece suit.
Okay. So they have nice 3-piece suits over here.
We do also have some Indo-Western in cowl skirts.
Indo-Western sets chair. You can just take a look at the collection
We
over
have some
here.
sharara.
Shararas. Okay. Okay.
Let's say for an example.
And moving on to their jewelry collection.
Yeah, these are completely handcrafted semi-precious jewelry, widely known as Pachi Kundan. We are a manufacturer of these pieces. You can check out our collection here. We do have some Punjabi kind of earrings. You can check out. We do also have some small studs, some chanbalis, heavy earrings.
So Siva Silver and Sitara are here with their collection. Let's take a look at their silver jewelry first.
They have a huge collection of premium rings, cocktail rings, studs, neck pieces, minimal neck pieces,
And these are all hallmark silver
Yes.
jewelry, 92.5 silver
anti-tarnish
jewelry.
as well.
Okay.
We have
jewelry sets,
bracelets, heavy necklaces માં પણ options છે.
Okay, heavy necklaces more options છે.
Also you will get minimal 20 pieces as well.
Okay, and moving on to clothing, this brand is Sitara.
We have some festive sets.
Festive sets, 3-piece suits chair like these. Okay,
Something like this in Patiala.
Patialas ma options chair.
Also we have semi-festive wears.
Semi-festive ma pan collection chair. Okay. All right. So they have lots of options like these